Next, we need to move the position of this column over to the right of the title. So let's go ahead and do that by going up to Fields here. And in this dropdown, let's go ahead and select Sort. This will give us a list of the fields that we currently have for this view, and we can use this drag handler on the left-hand side to sort them, to move a field above or below other fields. So let's go ahead and drag the dates all the way up to under title and click Apply. Let's go ahead and look at our preview. Okay, we now have the dates column to the right of the title. So one more thing left to do, which is to change the sorting of this data so that the most recent days show up first. So let's take a look at our sort criteria here. Notice we have a broken missing handler showing here. This is because we were in the past sorting by the date column that no longer exists. So we need to switch over to using our new date column. As the first part of this process, let's go ahead and remove this broken handler. I'm going to click on the link here, and then I'm going to click Remove, just like we did with the broken handler for the field. Next, let's go ahead and add some sort criteria by clicking Add next to the sort criteria title. And let's do a search. The search box gets focused on by default, and we'll just type in date here. In our options, if you remember from when we were selecting a field, we wanted something that began with fields. This is an indicator that we're dealing with a field rather than something that has to do with content in general. And in this case, we also have two options, just like we did before, except the two options now are value and value to. Now, if you were going to make a guess as to what these two values are, you'd probably be right. The value is the from date, and the value to is the to date. So let's go ahead and sort by the from date. And let's go ahead and add and configure this sort criteria. In our options, we don't want to expose this, just like we didn't the other filter. And we'll go ahead and leave this at sort ascending. And then let's go ahead and click Apply. Okay. Now if we look at our dates, we go from August 7th to September 3rd to September 12th. So this is working well.